grab that one, and if you feel it, what does it feel like? You don't have to answer that. It could be a cracker with no sugar. And so, with that, we're gonna create something to put over here. And there's several ways we can do that. One is you can follow me. I'll put one right here. This might not be open. Put one right here. I dip there. And you're gonna dip here, and that's really glowing, right? And you grab yours, and I grab mine, and we're gonna take it down and spin. Now smear it down. Yes. Right. Now take yours and go across that way. And I'll take mine and go across this way. Ah. Now we almost have a barn.
All right.
So here's a paintbrush for you, and this is the yellow. I'm gonna push it like that. All right. And inside you can do something there. So you can follow me. Straight down. Okay. Make it a little thicker, like a rectangle, sort of. You see that? Yeah. Now, with a little more paint here, we're gonna draw a circle for the face of the head, so you can follow me like this. Boom. Just random. Okay. Then you're gonna connect the neck, just like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw a foot. Ooh, she got a foot. And then another little foot. And then you could draw an arm. And another arm. Around the head of the person. So you do that, my lady, just like go around the head, that. Almost like you're giving them a afro. There you go. Here, on here, and you can still come back across it like this with the yellow.
Okay.
I'm gonna touch it. Wait, hold on, you're just gonna go over it.
Okay. Like make a border.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna smear when you that's that sand. Okay, so you're gonna make basically a big square. Just bring it all down, yeah. And you turn the board. Oh yeah. Very good. Okay, I'm going to take that from you. And now, this will sum up the picture. We're going to put right here in the corners. The goal is to, it's going to make it look like a vinyl record if we do it right. That's good. You might need that one again, maybe. That's good. All right. Picture of David and his wife surrounded by vinyl records with the vibrancy of love.